Welcome back to another episode, installment, update, whatever the heck you want to call it. Seagull's Mazda 323 channel. You know the dealio, like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Alright, quick video today, just upgrading the front speakers in the car so I can listen to a little bit more music at a low level, because I'm not really a fan of big doof sound systems. But it is nice to have either the Google Maps playing through the speaker or just a little bit of quiet noise while driving along. So I'm going to quickly install these two front speakers, and I'm going to be using the quick solder attachments as well, so I'll step that through. Alright, let's have a look. So I picked up a pair of these on sale from the local auto barn, and it's a really cool team of people that I deal with down there at the local shop. So hi, if you're watching, you better be. Alright, so that's the door skin off the 323, and there's the original 1, 2, 3 holes that this one will have. We're just gonna not do that. We're gonna be using a newer version. I did get some spacers just in case, but I won't need them for the front, so I'll probably just use them on the rear parcel shelf at a later date. I'll put some speakers in there too, but for now just the front is what we're doing. So I took the skin off and I've attached it already, and now we're just gonna wire it all up. So I like to use these, it's quite quick, little kit that I picked up from Bunnings, a little auto section they have there now. So I'll use a couple of those little quick ones and heat it up with one of these. And we'll just slam them in there real quick. Okay, this is the quick way of doing it. So just join those two wires together, the positives and the negatives, and then just use a quick solder join, apply a bit of heat, and that will shrink up, and then I generally will chuck a little bit of shrink wrap over the top of that too, just to protect it a little bit further. I do have the soldering kit and I do know how to do it the old school way, but it's just such a waste of time, to be honest, unless you absolutely really need to. So there you have it, the quickest solder ever, nice and neat, nice and clean. Just put that speaker on, put the door skin back on, plug in my mic, start cruising around the hood, freestyle rap. Now that you heard my charming voice, you couldn't get another nigga who she won't get moist. If you wanna look good and not be bummy, yo, you better give me that money. Well, I hope you especially enjoyed that one, because that was the easiest modification. It only took 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side. Keep coming back, because I've got more shit tips.